Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. This feature is useful for anyone who prefers speaking instead of typing, or wants a faster and more natural way to communicate with Claude. If you want to speak with Claude instead of typing, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Voice mode lets you interact more naturally, almost like having a real conversation, which can be especially helpful when you want quicker replies or when typing is less convenient. For example, you can use it while brainstorming ideas, practicing a conversation, planning a project, or asking follow-up questions without having to type every message. To begin, open the existing chat that you want to turn into a voice chat, or start a new chat if you prefer. Either option works, so just choose whatever makes the most sense for you. You do not need to create a special voice conversation because the feature can be activated directly from a regular chat. If you already have a conversation going and want to continue it by voice, opening that same chat is the easiest way to keep the context. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new conversation and get ready to enable voice mode there. Continuing an existing chat can be especially useful because Claude can refer to the messages and information that have already been shared in that conversation. Once you're inside the chat, look at the bottom right of the text field. You'll see an audio waves icon. This is the button for voice mode. Go ahead and click that icon to activate it. The icon may appear near the area where you normally type and send your prompts, so check carefully if you do not notice it immediately. If this is your first time using voice features, your device or browser may ask for permission to access your microphone. If that happens, make sure to allow microphone access. Otherwise, voice mode won't be able to hear you. You may see a small pop-up asking whether Claude or your browser can use the microphone. Select the option that allows access while you are using the website. After you click the audio waves icon and your microphone is enabled, you can start talking to Claude AI using your voice. You can begin with a simple question or instruction, such as asking Claude to explain a topic, help you write something, or generate ideas for a project. At this point, the interaction becomes much more conversational. Instead of typing your prompts, you can simply speak naturally into your mic, just as if you were talking with another person. This can make brainstorming, asking questions, or working through ideas feel faster and more fluid. You can also ask follow-up questions naturally, which makes it easier to explore a topic without stopping to type each new prompt. For the best experience, try speaking clearly and in a quiet environment so your microphone can pick up your voice more accurately. Keep your device close enough to hear you, avoid speaking too quickly, and pause briefly between longer questions. These small adjustments can help Claude understand your words more accurately. If Claude doesn't seem to respond correctly, it's a good idea to check that the right microphone is selected on your device and that your browser permissions are still enabled. You can also check whether another application is using your microphone, refresh the chat, or disconnect and reconnect an external microphone if you are using one. And that's really all there is to it. Open a chat, click the audio waves icon in the bottom right of the text field, and start speaking to Claude AI in voice mode. Once it is activated, you can use it for quick questions, creative brainstorming, study support, writing assistance, planning, and many other everyday tasks. It's a quick feature to turn on, and it can make your conversations feel much more natural and efficient. It is especially convenient when you are working on a longer idea and want to explain your thoughts without typing a large amount of text. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.